Well, hi, this is Mike Tolley from JamPlay.com, and I'm just going to play a short E-blues for you, actually teach a short lesson on a fingerstyle blues in E. Now I use finger picks for the blues. We're going to play a slow E-blues, and we're going to use the 4th fret of the 3rd string and the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and we're going to play them as triplets. Da, 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 da. And that's going to be our central theme. When we go up to our 4 chord, our A chord, we're going to jump up to a riff in A that I like to use. It's based around the A chord at the 5th fret, and it goes up to the 7th fret and descends chromatically and has a really cool half-step bend on the 2nd string. And it has kind of this polyrhythm thing going on. And of course, you could extend that riff beyond the measure boundaries, especially if you're playing by yourself. Many of the old blues players from the 20s and 30s, they did that sort of thing. They weren't bound to just the 12 measure progression. So here's a little bit of that. This is Mike Tolley, and I'd love to see you in my course, Fingerstyle Folk Blues at JamPlay.com.